Okay, guys, welcome to the stunning off-grid tiny house with an iconic modern design. Built on concrete pillars and surrounded by a breathtaking lush green forest, this home is the perfect blend of minimalism and nature. With its sleek white wooden exterior, bold black windows, and a beautifully crafted sloping roof, this tiny house is truly masterpiece. And let's not forget the spacious front deck, perfect for relaxing and soaking in the views. Let's step inside and explore this one of a kind retreat. Okay, alright guys, get ready for something truly amazing. Today, we were stepping inside a modern tiny house that's the perfect blend of minimalism and warmth. From the moment you walk in, you will see how the predominantly white interior paired with wooden accents creates a space that feels bright, spacious, and incredibly inviting. And wait until you see the details. This house is packed with clever design choice that make tiny living look effortless. Let's check it out. Okay? Wow. Look at how bright and open this space feels. The large window allows so much natural light to flood in, making the house feel way bigger than it actually is. And I love how, even from the outside, the illuminated window gives off this warm, cozy glow. It's like a little sanctuary in the forest. And now, check it out. The ceiling in the ceiling design is absolutely unique. It's absolutely unique. Instead of just plain wood or drywall, they've gone with this combination of dark gray fabric and light wood, adding a really nice textural contrast. It makes the space feel modern yet cozy at the same time. And here we have the kitchen. I love how compact yet fully functional this space is. The white cabinetry keeps things feeling clean and seamless, while the wooden countertop adds just the right amount of warmth. You have got enough counter space for cooking, and I bet those cabinets are filled with smart storage solution to make the most of every inch. Now, let's talk about this loft bed. It's amazing. Instead of using ladder, they have add a proper staircase, which is such a smart move. It not only makes climbing up super easy, but also doubles as extra storage. And can we take a second to admire how the loft is positioned? It's tucked away just enough to feel cozy and private, but still gets plenty of natural light from those well-placed windows. Even in small space like this, they have managed to fit in a lounge area, which is awesome. The tiny table and chair setup is perfect for morning cafe, reading, or even getting some work done. And being placed near the large windows means you get the best view of the forest while you relax. What a dream! Okay, I have to say, the way this interior is designed is absolutely brilliant. The white walls keep it bright, the wooden accent and add warmth, the metal finish slanted roof give it an edgy modern touch, and the dark gray fabric ceiling adds a subtle contrast. Everything just works so perfectly together. The bathroom of this modern tiny house. Now I know what you are thinking. It's just a bathroom. How special can it be? But trust me, this one is one another level. With its green white interior, warm wooden accent, and sleek modern design, it perfectly blends style and functionality. Let's take a look inside. Wow, right off the bat, you can see how bright and open this bathroom feels. This tiny house bathroom often feel cramped, but this one, it's spacious, well lit, and beautifully designed. The large window bring in plenty of natural light, making the space feel fresh and airy. And when the lights are on at night, it gives off this soft. And check out the ceiling. Instead of going for a typical white or tiled finish, they've chosen lightwood, which adds such a nice natural warmth to the space. It makes the room feel inviting and stylish rather than just purely functional. Such a simple detail, but it makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about the toilet. In this tiny house, every element needs to be space efficient and practical, and this one fits perfectly into the design. It's sleek, minimal, and does not overpower the space. Plus, with the bright walls and wood accents, it blends in seamlessly. On wow, look at the shower cabin. I absolutely love the glass panel design, which helps keep the space feeling open and uncluttered. And I bet those wooden or natural tone tiles inside add to the overall spa-like feel. This is the kind of shower where you actually want to take your time and just relax. And of course, they didn't forget about ventilation. The exhaust fan is essential in a tiny house to prevent moisture buildup. In and having it seamlessly installed in the live wood ceiling makes the sure it blends right into the aesthetic. Such a smart functional addition. And now, let's check out the sink and mirror setup. Absolutely love this. The wooden vanity at once, while the modern mirror placement helps reflect even more light, making the space feel bigger than it actually is. Plus, I love how they have kept everything clean, minimal, and clutter free. Exactly what you need in a small space like this. I have to say, this bedroom is a masterpiece of tiny house design. The white walls keep it bright, the wooden elements add warmth, the slanted metal finish roof adds modern touch, and the well-placed light enhance the cozy atmosphere. Everything about this space just feels functional, stylish, and luxurious at the same time. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the useful ideas and useful inspiration. So, what do you think, guys, about this tiny home? Would you live in the modern tiny home like this? And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment in this commenter column below. And thanks for watching until the end. Wait for my next video. Have a good day.